Welcome to Foley World.
I'm Steve Vischer. I'm the supervising Foley editor on Men in Black 2.
Marco Costanzo, Foley artist.
Jay Peck, another Foley artist.
George Lara, I'm a Foley mixer at C5.
My name's Dave Warszynski, and I just...
Foley boy.
I'm the Foley boy.
Especially on a job this demanding, with Men in Black 2, we split up the tasks.
We usually like to see what's there, so what we can add to.
There is nothing. They want all new, original stuff, and yeah, man, it's the place to do it.
Right then, smoke 'em if you got 'em.
That first one, it's got to be a slower drone because you know what? It's not getting up to speed yet. It's just sort of dun, dun, dun. The whole thing's just ready to fall apart.
All right, let's go. You guys have protection? I love this site, everyone.
Yeah, I really like that performance. I like that start. One of the interesting things about the process is the vocabulary that we have to develop. You know, we're talking about, can I have a little more upslide on the squeak there, which can only, you can't write that in your notes.
They want sort of like gray matter flying all over the place, but it's green matter. So we're going to come up with a couple different contraptions here. And it's important with this sound that it's not just a plop, it's a multiple hitting plop. Nice and wet. I'm not sure.
Good. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yep.
And we got good splat.
Oh, I think.
Jay, how are you, boo-boo? Look, these guys really need you.
He's a neutral.
Tell me something we don't know. Yeah, tell me something we don't. I am so sorry.
God bless you.
Thank you. Look, if I don't bring Kay back to MiB, Serlena's gonna kick my ass. Now, where is he?
Where's who?
You don't look too good.
The Kitsum, the lizard man, I wouldn't mind a little balloon squeak, rubbery thing as the face comes off and then the mask lands.
Good.
This is the tech unit. The most advanced technologies from all over the universe are in this room.
We've got an acre of prop area that you could just go around and just collect anything you want.
So there's a few different styles of shoes here. Very nice galoshes, women's shoes. Kind of hard to find the right size. These glass jars that some people may call trash, we value. Variety of jewelry, different styles, different weights. You never know when you need a switchblade. Variety of bats, glass bottles we're always needing for, you know, sips and pours and squeaks and cork pops. We used some tape for the sound of Serlena growing. Hands in boxes, toys, medical items.
Anything you can think of. We can now just get, collect, and pop in here.
And action!
They've gone through the trouble of setting up these elaborate sets. No sounds were there, so it's like, oh, okay, we need pops and boings and springs and rattles.
You know, just everyday things that we have to do that are not a real thrill, but it's part of our gig.
We are going to start out with Will Smith, who's the main character. And so I'm looking for his shoe, which we've already decided on, which is going to be a leather hard sole shoe.
This guy was talking about being in character for a footstep. I was new as a Foley editor at the time, and I was just sitting in the background going, yeah, right. But then this guy would do this performance, and it was part of the character.
telling the story with sound. I get into any character I look at. I just become that character. You have to. Or, you know, if you're walking it, or if you're just using his hands, or if you're scratching your face, everything is about that character for that moment. And then you go to the next character and do the same thing, but with a little bit different feeling.
Whether it's a question of weight or how that guy feels in the particular shot, there definitely is a character, even on something like a footstep.
Hey, wait up!
It's much harder than it looks.
The real thrill is doing some of these really big sounds, and Men in Black 2 is great for that.
30 seconds to launch. Six, 5.
Hell are you doing here, worm boy?
T. Jeff, excuse my partner. He's new and kinda stupid.
When it's all done and edited, it's just like, oh, wow, we did that? Yeah, that was so good. Yeah, right. I've always found that the greatest compliment is said when, oh, you did Foley in that? Meaning production sound was so good they didn't need Foley. And we all know you need Foley.
He took your gun. Yeah? Cracked you on the head.
And
Slammed you across the room. Half the time you were on your back.
That's how I fight.